Hello.
Hello?
Hi, can you hear me?
Yes,
Okay, has anybody else joined or just me?
just you.
Well, they're on, but they're chatting and they couldn't figure it
Yeah,
out. Do you see them chatting?
yeah.
Let's see, maybe send it again. So what I did, I actually prefer the way you did it
Mhm.
because it just popped up on my screen.
Well,
But the
that's
problem was is
good.
there were two things popping up on screen, them chatting and you. So it's like there's two separate calls going on.
Oh,
So I'm thinking I will just tell them all they need to do is click on your video call.
I don't know why it's not like popping up for them.
Um, Maybe you have to have Google open, maybe?
I have no idea.
Um, so how did you, hold on, I lost you. How did you s- sign this in? Did you just do it from Gmail?
So I went into YouTube and I started it, and then there's like a add people thing,
Okay,
and I just put in your guys' emails.
okay. Let's see if it says, can you see what they're saying?
The waiting game.
I clicked on it several times, but it only leads to a black screen. Hmm. Super weird. Yeah. Hmm. Should we just wait?
I'm wondering if I add them by their Gmail account instead of BYUI, if that will help.
Yes, do that. I bet that's the problem. Because you have to
Yeah,
have a Google account to do this, so it must be through that. Can you add more people while you're talking?
yeah, yeah, I can.
So add those emails and see. Jessica posted hers. Let's see if it's wrong.
Okay, I just sent it to that
Yes,
one.
you're right. It does have to be that because it just said that you added her to the Hangout.
Oh, good.
So I guess she wasn't added before.
Yay!
There
It
we
worked.
go.
Yay!
Okay, have we heard from Liz?
No,
Oh, Liz hasn't even been typing at all?
no.
But did you put the right email in for Liz, Dana?
I don't have her Gmail account. The email just has her BYUI one.
When she sent her phone number? Want me to call her?
Did she send? I didn't receive anybody's phone number.
I did.
Did you? When you guys have sent them out, did you click reply all or just reply?
You never know. But I
Yeah.
did get people's phone numbers.
Okay.
Let me look.
Yeah.
So whose number are we looking for?
Liz.
Liz? Yeah, I've got it. I'll just call her. Or maybe I should text her. Oh, hopefully she's watching her phone.
Okay.
She sent her home and her cell. And it was sent to, it looks like just me. So it looks like I replied to all, but she just replied back to me.
I didn't.
Yeah,
I didn't get yours either.
You did?
Mine?
I haven't gotten anybody's.
Okay.
Yeah.
Weird.
I'll send mine right now to all.
Okay, perfect. There we go. I just got Dana's. Oh, Sheree, I just got yours too.
Okay.
So we can't get a hold of Liz?
Well, I texted her. It must, though, if she signed in on her computer, it must be dinging all the time, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Well,
We could. Let me see. Classes. We can see if she's logged on to the BYU iLearn.
oh, we can?
Uh-huh.
I didn't know
Doesn't look like she's signed on. What you do is you go to your class. So like I'm in the Math 221C
that. Okay.
page right now. Then you go to class list. And everybody who has a green circle, green dot,
On.
they're on.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, it's a good way to know if somebody's just being lazy in your group or not
Yeah.
responding to things. So honestly, guys, I think I have like 10 minutes and then I'm just done. I've got the flu or something.
Oh, man.
So if it's okay,
That's
I'm
pretty
going to
bad.
use the chat so I don't have to speak so much. So like when we read out the answers, I'll like type A, B, C, or D if that's okay.
Perfect.
Okay.
She just texted me, but it was not her Gmail.
I love how the beginnings of all of our meetings are going to be like 10, 15 minutes of just like
I know.
us on our phones trying to figure stuff out.
That's how it
Oh,
goes.
well.
Okay, well,
Okay. Should we start on the quiz?
yep, I'm opening it up. I'm not even there.
Okay.
Okay, starting quiz. Did you guys open this up in the first place on VMware or however you're doing it?
Like the wrong
Site, wrong patient.
patient?
Yeah.
It's opening through the SPSS.
Mine says it's like loading still.
Well, this this drives me insane. I don't have now. I have to open it up in through their portal. Even though I opened it up on my computer.
Oh, mine is saying that this is not valid.
Yeah, that's what mine just said too.
Are you on? How are you accessing SPSS?
I had to buy it because I'm not on campus.
I'm not on campus, but I remote in with VMware.
It seemed like it was one of those like too many different steps. So
It
just
is.
seemed easier to buy it.
You made a good choice.
Okay. Open.
Mine just keeps saying that it's invalid.
Did you buy
I'm
yours
gonna-
too, Dana?
Yeah, I bought mine too.
Well, I'm through campus, so let's see if theirs is different. Just because I
Okay.
happen to have different.
I'm opening it up a few different, trying to do a few different ways. See if it'll work. Yeah, mine just says an unknown switch is specified on the command line. Is running. The file is encoded. Defining width. That'll work. Okay, now it works. Maybe try it one more time again, Dana.
Okay. It says it's like loading, but now it won't let me do anything on my computer. Like I can't switch tabs or anything.
Okay.
Yours working, Shuri?
It's wanting to. It's waiting. But I just clicked it, so we'll see if it opens up.
Do you want to share like your screen so we can see what's going on with yours, Dana?
Yes. 1 second. I'm literally like nothing's happening right now.
Okay.
I'm up. Wait, hold on. It's running in Unicode encoding message.
Like I can't even click on anything. How do I share my screen?
On our Google,
Mm-hmm.
on the left side, like there should be a little bar that pops up. The second button from the top that has like a computer screen with a green background and a white arrow, you'll click on that.
Can you show me what yours looks like? Because mine I pulled up and it looks different than the last information we got. I want to see if it's the same one.
Of course. Okay, here's what mine looks like.
Yep, I got it.
Okay.
My screen is like frozen. I can't even get into our call right now.
Ooh.
Okay.
Okay.
I guess let's see what we can do with it then.
And it still says that the SPS stuff is loading. Sorry, guys.
It's okay. It's okay.
Find the mean amount hospitals have to pay in wrong site lawsuits. Okay, so I want to make sure I'm doing this right because I did it backwards before. You go to Analyze. Then Descriptive. Is that how you do it? And then Explore. Okay, I have a question. I got a mean amount, but it shows the statistic and then it shows an error next to it. I have two different numbers. Do you have that? Did she tell us she was leaving and I just didn't know?
I don't know what's happening.
Is she typing anything?
I think she might be. It looks like someone's typing. Oh, I think I might have got. I think it might have loaded. Let's see. Yeah, I think she's typing right now.
Oh, sorry, I just typed an S for no reason. Maybe she's sick.
Is her video thing still up?
Are you getting the messages from Liz?
Let me see. Yeah, but I still don't have her Gmail.
But at least that's her typing in it, right? She wasn't before.
Yeah, so that's a good thing.
Okay. Well,
We'll see.
why don't you see what you can get on the first one just in case Jessica's sick?
Okay, 1 second.
Okay, where are we?
We're still
I
on
have-
like the first
I showed two
one.
numbers for the mean.
Okay.
So I was curious if everybody else had the same.
Sorry.
No, I'm sorry you're sick.
It's okay. That may be happening a lot.
Mhm.
Okay. So, what I've got, I think I did this right, is the mean amount hospitals had to pay here, I'll type it.
80041.24.
Yep.
Yes, but it says to round to the nearest whole dollar. So 41. But do we need a dollar sign in the answer? I don't want to.
Let's put a dollar sign in it, but also make a note in case, and then we could always have her check. And if that's the reason why,
Okay.
then, you know.
And you can take the quiz 2 times, I'm pretty sure.
But it doesn't give us like the,
Yeah, we won't know if we got it wrong or if we
Yeah.
got it wrong for that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So 80041 with the dollar sign.
Yeah.
Okay.
The next
Oh.
one.
Mine still is being weird, but it looks like we just use it for the first 3 questions.
Yeah.
So
We'll just use it for the first 3 and we can kind of go off of what Sheree and I have.
I'm
Sheree,
sorry.
Yeah.
you're fine, hun. We're going to struggle through this for the first few weeks. Sheree, it
Yeah.
won't let us put the dollar sign and save it, so I think it's just the 80041.
Ah, that's why it's not saving.
Okay.
Okay.
And then the median, I have
There was an
6.
error. It said there was an error. Hold on.
Okay.
Oh, nope. You're right. It was a dollar sign. I already put the next one in. That's why.
Okay. For the median, I have 68552.00. So 68552. I have 71403.828.
Yes. So 71404.
Yep.
Right.
Okay, now we're on the 5th. I mean, number 6.
Dana, do you want to read 6?
Yes. So it asks, what is the mean survival time in 4 months for these 4 patients? And the survival times are 5, 19, 1, and 3.
I have 7.75.
I just got 7.
Let me redo it.
I'll redo it too.
I just
to
got
make
7
sure.
as well.
Yeah, it's 7. Sorry, I don't know what I was doing.
That's okay.
What is the median survival time in months? I think 4.
Yeah, I think 4 too.
Sorry, I'm median
Don't
isn't.
stop.
Won't we have to do the 3 and 5 and add it
Yes.
together and then divide it by 2?
Yes.
So that is 4. Sorry, I'm sorry, guys.
No, you're fine.
You're totally fine.
Promise I'm not always this slow.
You're not slow at all.
Okay.
If you were to compute the variance by hand, follow the table. The following table could be used. Use the table to answer the next 3 questions. Give the number that would be entered into the space labeled A into the table above. They're killing me. So if the mean is 7, we subtract, so that's a negative. So we subtract 7 from 19, right?
So then it's positive 11, right?
No, 12.
It's 12, yeah. 12. You guys, I'm sorry. I'm really just going to
No,
stop
you're
talking. I promise.
Is that all you do for that one?
I think so.
I think so, yeah.
Okay. Give the number that would be entered into B. Okay. So 36,
Yeah.
because we have 1, and then we subtract 7, which is negative 6, and then we square it.
I think so. That's what I'm gonna put.
Well, we'll see. What is the standard deviation of the survival times? So that's where we add them all up, right?
Mm-hmm.
How are you doing this? You did this on one of the videos. You're adding up the,
I am trying to find my notes on standard deviation right now, actually. So you work out the mean. So the mean of that would be 7.
mhm.
Then for each number, subtract the mean and square it. That doesn't. So like with
Hold on, my computer's dying. I need to go plug it in.
okay.
Square root of the sample. Okay. To find that though takes work. You're gonna find that.
Yeah, I'm trying to work on it.
I left it open somewhere. So we have to find the variance for all of them first and then add them together.
And find the mean of that. So for the variance, I got 50.
For my variance, I got 13.946.
So let me just like make sure I'm doing this right. To get the variance, you take you subtract all the numbers from the original mean, and then you square those and then get the mean of those numbers. Does that make sense?
Yeah, Sorry, I just found the sum. I've forgotten steps.
Okay. Let's see.
So for all those added up together, did you get 200?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm sorry
Where-
if you said that. I'm behind.
No, you're fine.
Where'd you get 200?
Okay, so if you're looking at the chart, you have to get all of the squared deviations from the mean first, and then you add those up. So 5 minus 7 is 2, or negative 2. 2 squared is 4. Then we already knew 19 minus 7 is 12. Then square that and it's 144. 1 minus 7, negative 6 squared is 36. 3 minus 7 is negative 4, and that squared is 16. So you have the 4, 144, 36 plus 16. All of that together is 200. So then there's another formula that we put that into. Which I know is on a video.
I thought we just divided, like, Got-
Sorry.
that we just got the mean from 200.
No, it's a formula. When I see it, I will know it. I'm just going to turn the sound off on my video here. I hate that they teach us that we have to do it by hand, but then just show us the next lesson how to do it really quick.
Me too.
The standard deviation is the square root of the variance, which would make it's the square root of 200.
Um, 14.14.
I feel like that's right. I feel like I'm missing something still. Hold on. Okay, I'm going to share my screen with you for a minute because I found what I was looking for. But I now can't find the video of it. Okay, I pushed screen share, but nothing happened. Am I not allowed to screen share since I'm not in charge of the meeting?
You should be able to screen share it because I was able to. You're hitting the
Little green.
Mm-hmm. And then up should pop another one, and it gives you a few options.
Nope, no options. Well, I will just tell you what the formula is. Okay, so now that we have that, we do the sum over n minus 1. Which would be 200 over, what is n?
I think n is the amount of numbers.
Oh, okay. So then 200 over, we have 4 total, right? So
Yeah.
3. So what's 200 over 3?
6.6666666.
We've got Satan's number.
I know.
Great. Then we need the square root of that. And that's the answer.
For the variant or like the answer?
Wait,
answer?
what is the question? Are we looking for the variance or for the standard
No,
deviation?
We're looking for the standard
Standard
deviation.
Yeah,
deviation.
then we need the square root of 66.66666.
Okay.
8.1649. So 8.165.
That's the answer. It's a lot of work to get to one answer.
Mhm.
For the next 3 questions, give 5-number summary for the wrong patient lawsuit costs.
So for 10, we decided it's 8.165.
Yes.
Yep.
Okay, for this one, we have to go back into the SPSS, right?
Yes.
Okay. And we want wrong patient. Okay.
The first number in the 5-number summary for the wrong patient lawsuit.
Statistics, percentiles, continue. Okay. Okay, let me share my screen.
Because
And
I show 0. That can't be right.
Desktop.
No, I think it's 0.
Okay, this is what I have so far. Is this what it looks like for you, Shuri
Hold on.
and Liz?
Yes. But do you see
Okay.
where it says the minimum? Because isn't that the first number?
What? Sorry.
It wants to know the first number in the 5-number.
5-number thing.
Yes, and the first number isn't the lowest.
Where is that found on here? I can't find. Oh gosh.
Go right there. Okay, well, you can look at the chart, or hold on. There you go, wrong patient. Go up, keep moving it up just a little bit more. Nope, wrong way. Okay, stop. You
Okay.
see where it says minimum?
Right here.
And it says yes, 0.
Okay.
Isn't that? And then on the chart, it shows it's right up to the line on the like box and whisker plot thing.
So do we think it's 0?
Isn't that the first number in the 5? The minimum is
Yeah.
the first, and then
Then the maximum.
maximum's the 5th.
Yeah.
Hmm.
I could be wrong.
I
That's
could
what I
be.
think.
I could be too. And the great thing is we can try it again.
Okay.
It makes
So-
sense though.
So we start with 0 is that minimum.
I never
And then-
saved. Oh, hold on. Never mind, I did save. There's a second number. It would have to be the first quartile.
Yeah, because the third is the median. So let me get back.
Why didn't it show us this?
I do not remember how to calculate this from any of those videos.
Let me see if I can just.
When you shared your screen before, wasn't there like a box and whiskers plot
Yes.
or whatever it's called? Would that show us what the first quartile is? Is that what we're looking for? What is it
Well,
called
but it's
again?
just scrunched.
Yeah, it's here. I can show you exactly what I'm seeing. There's just
Okay.
like not a ton of
Information on it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So
Oh,
let me make
yeah.
this larger, and we'll go from the very beginning, and we'll work down together.
Okay.
So this is where we got the minimum, the first number. And this is that
Yeah.
box plot.
It's kind of hard to tell from that.
Yeah, so like we can see that this is lined up for 0.
Hmm.
And I mean, it's got to be less than like half of this, so less than 10.
Yeah.
See if it's somewhere on there. Interquartile range is that it? Oh gosh.
I have no idea.
I don't know. I'm trying to look. I'm going through like where it says analyze. I'm looking if there's something that says. So I wonder if in like where it says case processing summary, if we can put, it shows, oh, it doesn't work. No, not in there. It should be in there. Interquartile range. Okay, so I have a thought.
Okay.
The interquartile range shows a number. I wonder if it's that number at 25% and then subtract it from the 125, lots of zeros, to get to 75%. That doesn't seem right either.
Sorry, I'm going back to there. Yeah, that's, so I'm wondering if the interquartile is like, so 0 plus, we've got our first quartile, and then add that to that, we've got our, you know.
Yeah. I don't know. You think that you'd have to be a genius to figure all this out first.
Well, there's just not really good descriptions on how to do it, and it's yeah, it's a little frustrating.
Well, let's see. What's the second number? What is the fourth number? No, that can't be it. Can it?
Okay, find our median. Our minimum is 0, maximum is 266,000.
It's not. Are you looking at the other one?
Hold on, are we on wrong patient?
Yes.
Okay, I'm on the wrong one. So wrong patient. So maximum is 1, 2, okay.
125 with 4 zeros.
5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and our median is
In the wiki, what we want?
8. Interquartile. So this is our median. Wrong patient. Wrong patient. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Patient.
That would mean that the second number is 46537.
Mm-hmm.
Is that what you think?
That's, yeah, because then the second number is the 18882.
Okay, I see that. But then what's the fourth number?
That is the one that I'm like, I can't understand this. Quartile 4. Okay. Okay. Don't be pulled away. I wish there was a way to like flip the graph so I could like measure it.
I know.
Is there? Okay. First, second, first quartile, second quartile, median, third quartile. The third quartile is still under the 200,000. So,
Yeah, but it's got to be. I double clicked on the plot, the graph plot box, whiskers, whatever it's called.
Uh-huh.
See if I can figure out how to get like the information shown.
Okay, fourth number. Minimum, first quartile, median, third quartile, maximum.
Isn't that list that you just read off, isn't that what we need?
I don't know what you're talking about, Liz. You'll have to have a little more information on that one.
So we're looking for the 5-number summary, right?
Yes.
And it's the minimum, the first quartile, the second quartile, the third quartile, and the maximum.
Yes.
Yes.
So you just read that list. Isn't that what we need?
We need the fourth number. Like, we need those individual numbers.
We don't even know if the second one we have is accurate.
Yeah.
So we're trying to figure out how to find those numbers.
The second quartile is the median. So that number that we have, that median number, that 18, I'm very sure that that's correct.
Yes.
It's the third quartile that I'm just not sure on. So, hold on. The first number is the minimum. The second number is the first quartile.
Yes.
The third number is the median. So that 18 is the third number, not the second number. So that's wrong.
Which number on the test are you looking at?
Sorry, I'm going out of that. It's the ones that are dealing with the 5 numbers.
Number 12. The first number is 0. The second number, we don't know yet.
Exactly. So it's not the median.
We didn't put the median. We put 46537, which is a guess from that list. It says the inter something.
Okay, yeah, that's the first quartile. Second
Maybe.
quartile is the median.
Yes.
Okay.
Is there another name for this 5 thing?
Don't think so. So for the second number, we use the interquartile number. Wasn't there 2 different interquartile numbers? And maybe we could use the other one for the fourth number?
There's only one.
Yeah, there's only one.
There's only one.
That's weird.
Okay.
The fourth number. 1, 2, 3. The third quartile.
So the fourth number would be the third quartile.
Yes.
Found in the descriptives box, the percentiles box.
Well, we're there.
Yeah.
So if you see it,
Okay. So I'll screen share what I've got right here. Okay. This is the percentiles box. And according to this, values of the quartiles. Okay, hold on. I think I understand it. So we've got the 0 as our minimum, the 125 is our maximum that we get from up here. This is our first quartile, our second quartile, which is our median,
yeah.
and then our third quartile right here.
Where did you get the percentiles thing? It doesn't show up on mine.
Scroll, mine is like the very bottom, so like this is the bottom of it,
Yeah.
and then it's like the third right here. So I think it's 39 is our second number.
No,
18
I totally don't have that.
is our, oh, okay. Is this
wonder
what you have
why.
on yours, Liz?
Hold on. I actually am not that prepared, so I'm just learning from you guys today. But
I
This
don't
is
have
what
that.
the
I'm going to go
wikis-
to it again. How you
Okay.
got that? You went to analyze,
Yeah, so let me,
descriptive
so,
to explore.
mhm.
Okay.
And then it's wrong patient is the only one in my dependent list.
Yep, that's the only one. And then I push
Okay.
OK. Do you push OK at the
No.
bottom? You push
Statistics,
That's what I didn't do. I pushed OK. And then
percentiles.
percentiles at the bottom. Continue.
And then okay.
this is the instructions from the wiki, which is exactly what we were just showed.
Yay! And I'm pretty sure. Okay, so you have for number 2 then 3,900.
Yes.
Okay.
Let's go here. Our fourth number is 50291.
Yes. Phew.
Oh my gosh.
Good job,
That's it, girl.
guys.
You're very
Oh my
smart.
gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. What is the third
Based on the
quartile?
following box plot. Well, oh, I was just going to say, we don't know for sure. What would you say? 190?
Yeah, like 190 I think.
185?
I think
175?
I think in there it looks like it's only off by like 10. So I'm going to do 190.
Okay.
That's what I'm gonna do.
The longest observed time.
Like 7:10.
7:10 seconds. That's what I'm going to guess.
What? Yeah, I guess.
What's the value of the mean? 105 seconds.
You think that's above the line? I guess it is. Yeah.
It looks just a skosh above the line.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm
There we
submitting.
go.
Okay.
That was rough.
Yeah.
Oh, we missed one.
Oh, which one? I'm not going to submit. And I don't have to do it again. Which one?
I'm sorry. I was wrong in the 105.
You were?
I was, so it's not 105.
Oh my goodness.
Well,
Okay, so let me make note of all these other ones.
I know. Do you want me
So-
to read them to you? Did everyone else submit?
Yeah, read them to me, because there's no way my mind
No,
cannot handle
no.
it.
You shouldn't have to.
I'm like in love with you right now, Sheree.
Tell me when you want me to start reading.
Okay. Okay, start reading with number 3.
Okay. 80041.
Number 4,
68552.
number 5,
71404.
number 6,
7.
number 7,
4.
number 8,
12.
9,
36.
10,
8.165.
11,
0.
12,
3900.
13,
50291.
okay, 14,
190.
15.
710. I would love to know how we got all of these difficult ones right.
But this
Don't-
last one.
Okay, what is the value of the mean?
Okay, I was going off the median, so the median is not the mean. The mean
I still
mean
would
is-
say that.
the mean is all of them divided by the amount. So we've got to add like this. This looks like 50, 110. Okay. 50.
No, because here's the thing, it can't be determined. Because what if there's tons of people in there?
You are right. We don't have all of the data.
Well, does somebody want to submit that again?
I'll do it.
Okay, you submit. We found a way around this, guys.
Oh, man.
There's no way I was gonna redo this quiz.
Yeah.
Let's see. That's correct. It cannot
Yay!
be determined.
I just hope the teacher doesn't get to like the end and see how we handled this quiz.
No, I hope she does, because this quiz is ridiculous. It was too much.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
Okay.
If we can't do a quiz all together in a relatively normal amount of time, how are we going to be expected to do a test on our own?
Yeah, this took over an hour and a half, guys.
I'm proud of you for sticking the whole time, though.
I'm gonna go die now, okay?
Okay.
I love you all. We're
Okay,
bonded
See you
in blood.
Tuesday.
This is epic. Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.